Hello friends, welcome once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make onions powder at home. To make an onions powder, all we need is onions. So here I have some medium size of onions. So the first thing I'll be doing is to clean them up. So I'll start by cutting the both ends of the onions, then peel off the outer skin of the onions. And after peeling all the onions, I'll transfer into a clean water to wash them. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say I love you so much. Thank you so much for your great support. And after washing the onions and they become clean, I will slice the onions tiny with a kitchen knife. I'll slice the onions very tiny because I want it to dry very fast. Another reason why you have to cut your onions very tiny is that when the onions dries up very quickly, it will make the onions powder to come out very beautiful. And after slicing all the onions, I'll be spreading them out on a tray. So I'll transfer the onions to a tray, then spread them out properly. And as you can see from this video, the onions is too much for this tray. So I'll be transferring some of it to another tray, then spread them out properly so that they can dry easily. After spreading them out on the tray, I'll take to the sunlight for them to dry. And after drying them for some time, this is how our onions looks like. It has become dried and crispy. And next, I will just add both trays together. Then transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. And after blending and it has become smooth, transfer into a collecting container. Onions powder can be used for stew, soup, marinating of meat, suya spice, and much more. And here we have our onions powder, which came out very smooth and nice. And next, I'll repeat the same process with the remaining onions. Please, if you find this very helpful, kindly click on the like button, comment, and share this with your loved ones. And after blending the remaining onions, transfer into a collecting container too, and use for those special delicacies. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.